Do you want to get better results? Well, if you do, here's a little short 3-step strategy. Do it first thing in the morning. Number 1, decide what's my outcome? What's the results that you want to achieve today? You can see here my one that I did this morning. I've got 4 outcomes, 4 results on the left-hand side there. That's what I want to achieve today. And the second thing I did for each individual outcome or result that I wanted, I wrote down the purpose, the why. Why do I want it? What's the benefit of pulling this off today? So I've written that out. And then the third thing over here in the green on the right was actions. What actions do I need to take today? Folks, if you get out of bed every morning and just let the day run and control you and just wing it from moment to moment, you'll never achieve. Set the plan in place, decide what actions and decide what outcomes you want to take, know your reason why, pull the actions together and go out and just start doing them. And if you notice, I've got them 1, 2, 3, 4. I've ordered them in priority. Folks, have a great day. Tony here.